Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and the world of game development is absolutely spoiled right now for bundles and deals and sales, etc., and we're going to gather them all together on a monthly basis. There's just so many of them, I don't do them one by one anymore. We do them once a month, maybe a little bit more in the future. I also do a free roundup twice a month, so all the free GameDev assets that are out there, and this first thing is going to kind of fit both, because you see, the Unity Asset Store has been running their summer sale, and it is over now. That means that this is back, the publisher of the week. So this is a freebie and a sale, so just something to be aware of. If you use Unity, head on over to the Unity Asset Store, use the code TIR Games 2026 at checkout, and you can get these stylized downtown street asset completely for free. So this one here, way too saturated in that screenshot, but nice little pack, and you get that completely for free. And then you'll notice all of their other assets are currently on sale at 50% off. We also, if we go back a level, we also have the Creator Spotlight sale. This is, again, highlighting new creators, their assets 50% off as well. So pretty straightforward stuff, but like it would have normally fit into my freebie category, they were still doing the summer sale when the last freebie video came out. So just so you know, Publisher of the Week is back, and I will be covering these bi-monthly when I do those videos as well. All right, so over on Bundle Foundry, we have a number of bundles going on right now. The thing you're going to find here, these also overlap with my free videos because quite often they do have a free tier. As you can see here, for the Ultimate Scanned PBR material packs for Unreal Engine 5, they have 226 remaining at the free tier. So if you want to come in here, you can grab this plaster materials for free. Otherwise, you can pick up a number of different materials ready to go in your game world, scanned from the real world here. You know, again, a lot of things like brick walls, roads, plaster, and so on, just the kind of things you need to make up a world. Yeah, we have the Ultimate Scanned PBR Materials Pack, and again, that free tier is there if you want to check out an example of the quality before purchasing it. We also have the Unreal Scanned Ruins and Abandoned Environment Pack. This one, again, is for Unreal Engine. The free tier is exhausted in that particular case. We also have the JRO Tools Hard Surface Kit Bash and Brush Mega Bundle. Now, this is a collection of, you can see here, you've got basically base meshes, then we got decals, and then you got brushes and like here, so if you're doing skin areas or the flesh or so on, you've got the sculpting brushes you need for programs like VBrush in a lot of cases, also often work in Substance or in Blender, so just basically a collection of sculpting things, and then on top of that, they do have a free tier available. We also have the Master Godot engine. This is GameDev TV. I love their courses. I highly recommend them if you're looking for something and YouTube videos or whatever just aren't doing it for you. Check out GameDev TV, a number of courses on learning the Godot game engine. If you want to go ahead and find out what they're like, good news is, once again, there is a free tier here, so getting started with Godot, you can find out if GameDev TV is your jam. If they are, you can pick this course bundle up like so. Then we have the Ultimate Unity Environment Bundle. Pretty straightforward. A number of Unity assets. Free tier is exhausted, sadly, but a number of environments for the Unity game engine are available here. And then we have the Ovani one. This has been going on. This was actually last month as well. It's a collection of audio, so basically dynamic game soundtracks as well as special effects. Cool thing here is they do have a sampler, so you can see what their music is like from the mixtape sampler. And then on top of that, again, sound effects and music tracks for your game, which is always quite nice. Now we're moving on to Humble. Now, Humble are still doing their Humble 15th anniversary deal, so there is a lot going on over there. The first one is crap, basically, to be honest. If you're looking to get Corel Draw cheaper, you can. Good deal there. This is kind of pricey by Humble standards. We've had it at a better deal. And the version that it ships isn't fully customizable. So I personally do not recommend this one. But if you've been looking to pick up Corel Draw all along, hey, great opportunity. It's better than just buying it outright. It's still a lot cheaper. Just there have been better bundles along this line. Then we got this one. This is Kitbash 3D. Now, Kitbash 3D is interesting because their early Humble offerings were awful. For like $30, they were offering like a single one of their kits. Now they're actually offering, like in this particular case, you're looking at 13 items, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... 6.5, say, we'll call 7 between those two. 7 kits and then a bunch of materials as well. Much better deal. So basically, it's a thematic collection of assets that you can kit bash into different levels. So you got different themes like Outposts. So this is like a sci-fi desert, basically Return of the Jedi looking. Treasure Island, Valhalla, a futuristic Dubai, and then a high-tech streets environment right there. And then again, all the material packs from those particular assets as well. Feels a little bit like double dipping, but again, same time, it's $30, and that's by comparison to what they charged in the past. That is an incredible deal. Then we got the creature and character bundle. This one is actually a Blender bundle. It doesn't make it immediately obvious in the name, but you see here Blender face it, character generator, and so on. These are frozen in time generally, so you will not get updates to the plugins. You would basically get, like Retopo Flow, you get the current version as it stands. If that's an issue to you, definitely something to be aware of. But again, at the price, this is less, this whole bundle is less than the cost of just Retopo Flow, for example. And then you're going to notice here, you're getting a bunch more sculpting things here, like ears and teeth, and then eyes and noses and so on. And then you got library here for hair, fur, and so on. So if you're looking to build up your Blender libraries, could be a good pickup there. Just know, plugins are frozen in time, so you don't get updates for them. Something to be aware of with these particular bundles. And then we have the game audio collection. So this one's a little weird, just in the way that you access it. So some of it's to a download service. I don't know. I can't personally recommend on this one. I have no actual experience with it, but it is a huge library of game stuff. But you're gonna, audio stuff. But you're gonna notice again, it's also tied to like download credits. So get a little iffy there, but commercial ready, voice packs, music, and so on. Then we have the all-in-one Unity and Unreal GameDev software bundle. These guys were new, so this may have been around last month because we're getting very close to the end of this one, just to be aware. But you see a number of environments. A lot of these have never been on Humble, which is quite nice. So you get an idea of what you're getting. And then at the bottom here, it's more like special effects, explosions, and so on. But we've got a number of different things like oil rigs and industrial warehouses and so on. And then again, a lot of special effects stuff, motel room, Zeppelin, steampunk, dungeon ruins, and so on. So if you're looking to get more and more 3D environments there, pretty large collection there for $30 US. And then we got another one here. This one is the Americana. This one is for Unreal Engine. It's primarily, or is it exclusively Decagon? It is exclusively Decagon assets. And this is kind of things that you might see in an American town. So retro cars, apartment, skyscrapers, a 70s office, a Chinese restaurant, and so on. So all the stuff you need for typical world building, you can get it in this particular bundle. And then we've got Cosmos Eclipse Game Dev Assets and Tools bundle. So you can see here a number of different environments. Again, Unity, Unreal Engine in here. I do think there is a Godot or two splashed in, but not that yet. So we had a couple of Godot environment assets in here as well. But I think it's only like 2 or 3 Godot. So if you're looking for environments, and then they've got a couple of their plugins in here as well. So another set of environment bundles for Unreal, Unity, and Godot. I know some people really hate when they mix all different game engines together into a bundle. I get it, but at the same time, at the price of what you're getting, just ignore what you don't use, and it's a pretty solid bundle collection in that time. And then we've got another one. This is GameDev TV. In this case, it is Blender. So you've got a kind of a combination of things, so between animations, modeling, character creation, and then we got exporting to the 3 major game engines, and then stylized characters, creating game sprites, and then a couple others there, one on sculpting there as well. So that is Blender, mostly for creating game assets. And we have Learn to Make Games in Unity bundle. This one is from Zenva. Again, a whole bunch of kind of thematic-based tutorials. So like bullet hells and 2D action RPGs and so on, all around making games for Unity. So if you're looking for Unity courses, Zenva stuff tends to be quite good. You also get manuals with them that are quite comprehensive. A lot of times you get basically a book with each course, which is always kind of nice. And then we get the Game Development Mega Bundle. This one I completely forgot about. So yeah, Blender, Unity, and so on. So this is another set of courses. And this is from Pact. Okay, so a variety of Pact courses basically around some weird things here. So we got Godot in here, but we also have like Sprite Kit. And then we have another couple of game engines. You don't see that often, but a lot of it, Blender, Unity, and Godot for the most part. And then like Sprite Kit's bolt in there as well. So if you're looking to pick up some more courses, the Pact video stuff actually tends to be a lot better than the Pact book. This is coming from a guy that wrote a Pact book, by the way. So if you're looking for some courses, again, same problem as the earlier bundle in that it's not really around a common theme. So like, let's say you want to learn about Sprite Kit, you're not going to buy this whole bundle for one course here, which is kind of the downside. But at the same time, you're never going to have enough courses around Sprite Kit to make a bundle out of it. So I guess it is a double-edged sword. And then we have the VFX a Master Bundle for Unreal Engine. This is Unreal Engine literally effects. 100% effects. So explosions and smoke and so on, get all specifically for Unreal Engine. And then that is it. Once again, not really fitting in with the theme of the video, but you use the code TIRGames2026 on the Unity Asset Store, and you get that particular asset completely free. So let me know what you think of all of the stuff that's for sale right now. It is a little overwhelming, I will admit, but let me know what you think. Comments down below. I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.